What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to fix the issue when your iPhone hotspot is not working properly or not connecting at all. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Open up your settings application. Here you should first of all make sure that Wi-Fi is enabled. Your hotspot will not turn on if Wi-Fi is disabled in your settings. Next, tap on Mobile Data. Under Mobile Data, you should make sure that your primary carrier is enabled. Some cellular service plans don't allow you to enable and use your mobile hotspot, so make sure to enable and disable your mobile data to see if this fixes your issue. Back in your main settings, tap on Personal Hotspot. Enable your hotspot and set the Wi-Fi password to something you can remember and enter on another device. When all of this is done and your hotspot is still not reachable, then the problem is related to your current network connection, device restrictions, or ISP. To test if this issue is related to your current network connection, you can visit a site on your favorite browser, or use a speed testing site or application, such as Speedtest. Here, you can see your average download and upload speed. In case your connection seems fine, then head back to your settings application. Here, tap on Screen Time. In your content and privacy restrictions, make sure that you allow mobile data changes. Or you can simply disable content and privacy restrictions altogether. Lastly, make sure that your iPhone is running the latest iOS version. In your general settings, tap on Software Update. Here, select to download and install the latest driver before restarting your device. Restarting your iPhone or iPad will restart all processes, which will in most cases fix hotspot connection problems. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helps you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.